Hey guys, what's up? Today I have a really big mock, and that is Battle in Mustafar. Some of it's not complete, but most of it is complete. But this is my biggest ever that I've ever made, and it turned out, in my opinion, pretty movie accurate. But here it is. First off, you have Anakin, just when he's like turning around talking to Obi-Wan. And Obi-Wan's over there. And then Anakin's just like, don't lecture me, Obi-Wan, and then, but then, he backflips, lands, and then they walk down here. And you got this room, which is the thing that's not finished. If I finish this, and then I need to get some more lava on the high ground. If I get some more on that, then it will be complete, but other than that, I'm not going to put a wall here so you can get more playability in there. Now you got the room where he murdered all the Senate. I don't have any Sith in there, but get the point. This is actually that one room that I made for The Empire Strikes Back. I just took that down because I didn't like it. I don't know why, but I didn't like it, so I took it down and used it as this, and I think it looks really good. Of course, you got the table with 4 chairs. I think that looks pretty good. Then you exit out here, and you got the part where they fight, and then they go on that little chain thing. So I have that done. Just a little bit of details right here. That's kind of like rust or I don't know. Then you walk across there, and you got that little bit of platform. Then of course, they jump onto this big pillar, and then they, go across. And that leads us into our first, lava transportation. I don't know, whatever you want to call it, but Obi-Wan can go on this one. It's got some arms. I put a little more time into this one than the other one, but yeah. That's that one. And then, of course, the one Anakin goes on, it's just platform and then little pillar to hold it up. So yeah, I have that. But yeah, I like definitely that one. But, that one, you just sit there in the corner, it's kind of like, eh. And then finally, we move over to the high ground. Yeah, that's what I have of the high ground. I'm looking in my big Lego bucket for lava pieces. That's what I have. I got these from the Molten Man. Yeah, I got those from the Molten Man. I got this from Molten Man. It's kind of like lava shooting up in the background. Like, whoosh, that shoots up. But, yeah, it's kind of all I have. But, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.